Namaste. I will be dealing with Vayu Mudra today. What is Vayu Mudra? Vayu Mudra is a Hasta Mudra, hand gesture, that is practiced as a part of meditation for therapeutic benefit or with any yoga poses to free the body of accumulated air and unwanted gas. In Sanskrit, Vayu means air or wind or gas, and in Ayurveda, it refers to the air element. Vayu Mudra is used for relieving the body of excess wind energy or helps with increasing the wind energy if it happens to be low. For example, in Kapha predominant people. In short, Vayu Mudra controls and balances the air element in the body. It is performed by bringing the index finger closer to the base of thumb and folding the thumb over it. These two fingers bring together the air and fire element. It has various benefits. Some are immediate, like riding the body of flatulence, and some are subtle, like helping one release their emotions, overcoming depression, and also reduces excess pain in joints that are caused by the air that is stuck in these joints, which sometimes causes heaviness and swelling. Mudras, which is called seal or lock, can be practiced to balance the flow of prana energy in the body that runs through our nadis and also clear these channels or passages, making room for the free flow of energy. This further helps to reach higher states of consciousness as the channels are free, allowing for the easy flow of energy. However, most mudra, which are generally hand gestures, are practiced to balance the five elements in our body. Surya Mudra, thumb. Akash Mudra, ether, middle finger. Prithvi Mudra, earth, ring finger. Varun Mudra, Jal Mudra, water, the little finger. And Vayu Mudra, air, the index finger. Mudras are also used to work on the acupuncture meridians of the body. Meridians are strings connecting acupuncture points, which are considered passageways through which energy flows in the body. This is similar to what we call nadis in yoga. Just like the locking of the fingers in different ways impacts the flow of prana in the body, similarly the pressure points at the tips of the fingers activate the meridian channels in the body. Hence, one can also draw close connect between Ayurveda, yoga and meridian. What are the benefits of Vayu Mudra? Through the practice of Vayu Mudra, the two main elements, sun, Surya, and air, Vayu, are stimulated within the air element, being reduced or controlled. The main benefits from this mudra practice is movement of air. As I have explained, the three doshas includes a Vata, Pitta and Kapha of our body, in which Vata, Vayu, air is considered the king of doshas. The movement of air, when in excess or otherwise causes an imbalance in the Vata dosh, can impact the functions of the colon, lungs, circulatory system and mental health. With the practice of Vayu Mudra, Vata can govern the energy flow in the body, which can be controlled by reducing the excess air in the body, which impacts by eliminating it. The excess movement of air impacts the physical and mental state, and sometimes it causes nervousness, fear, anxiety, low energy, laziness, gas, constipation, bloating, indigestion, insomnia, dry skin. Thus, with the practice of Vayu Mudra, along with certain postures like Vajrasana after meals, will help you to keep in control. Organ stimulation. Vayu Mudra correlates to the functioning of colon, large intestine, and the lungs. These organs are responsible for expelling waste materials from the body. The lungs expel carbon dioxide while the colon expels food waste. Thus, practicing Vayu Mudra helps the body's natural detoxification process, which becomes very smooth. Problems like constipation or diarrhea are related to unprocessed emotions, whereas Vayu Mudra will be able to help in this. Even in Chinese medicines, they have talked about the large intestine meridian, which is related to organization and transport of food, as well as emotion. With the regular practice of Vayu Mudra, we can increase the efficiency of this energy challenge. The smoother the energy flows through this meridian, the better we can feel with the body and mind. Elimination of unwanted air, gas, and wind in the body creates fresh room for the prana in the body and keeps the organs stimulated with the right supply of oxygen. Third point, it creates awareness and calmness. Index finger represents the element metal or air, and the emotions related to these fingers are depression, sadness, or grief. Vayu Mudra, when practiced for a longer duration with full awareness of the breath and the flow, and with the efficient use of the energy, can further help unearth all repressed emotions stored in the body, which often manifest as we work on our central nervous system. Fourth is therapy and healing. An imbalance in the air create lot of disease. So, with the help of the Vayu Mudra, we can work on the issues like rheumatoid arthritis, excess air in our body, arthritis, joint pain, osteoporosis, weak joints and bones, insomnia caused by too much thinking and worrying. This is the reason where it is also included in the yoga practice about the functioning of the joints on a day-to-day basis. Even in postnatal, after delivery, women should practice Vayu Mudra to release excess Vayu created in the body during the delivery time for better digestion and sleep. It is also very effective in Parkinson's disease, and somewhere it is helpful with neck pain, building better immunity, managing day-to-day activities with better digestion, controls over thoughts. It also works on asthma and also reduces some form of allergy, and definitely it keeps your mind calm and relaxed. Meditation and silence is also one of the very beautiful factor when it comes to doing Vayu Mudra. It channelizes to create fresh air. The body becomes calm. The central nervous system becomes much calmer. It helps to create an outlook towards the meditation. A calm mind can achieve more with the right attitude and right performance. Abhyasa, continuous practice, and vairagya, detachment without thinking the fruits gaining from this mudra, if practiced regularly, can create beautiful merging of consciousness, Chetana, with the Param divine energy, with the universe. Namaste.